Hi guys, my name is Dick. I come from a training coach C4 class. Today we will practice the true vowels in IPA chart. This vowel A and vowel E. We will start with the first vowel A. A is the short vowel. To make pronounce the sound A, open your mouth wide, and your tongue is relaxed and down in the bottom of your teeth. Hold your hand and move your hand in front of your mouth like apple, and your mouth open quickly like eat an apple. For example, cat, hand, map, candle, handle, narrow, ladder. Make the vowel A in sentences. Pack the bags. Past cat is fat. Have a snack. Jack. Sad is opposite of happy. Now we will move to second vowel today. It's a short vowel. To pronounce the vowel E, open your mouth wide, quite wide. Move your breath out of your mouth quickly and faster, and say Put your hand on the abdomen and feel the raise, the fall of the abdominal muscles. Okay, let's practice the vowel E. For example, check, head, met, member, jealous, ready. Now we will practice vowel E in the sentences. Send his friend a letter. Let's rent a tent. Ben never gets upset. This is the lesson today. Thanks for watching.